Hey guys, if you clicked on this video, you're trying to find out how you can install Google Chrome on Roku TV. Well, I want to be completely honest with you right off the bat. There's no official Google Chrome app for Roku, but you can actually access Google Chrome through other methods. So this is what you do, guys, okay? So you can try to cast Roku from Chrome. So casting basically gives your Roku a web browser experience without you needing to actually get the app. So you can do this from your phone as well, for example, your iPhone. So open up Chrome on the device, and then on the iPhone or iPad, what you're gonna do is you wanna use the cast option. Okay, you can cast videos or media, and then if you're doing it on your Android device, you want to ensure that Roku and the device share a similar Wi-Fi network. And then what you're gonna do is open up the Home app, press Roku, and then click on cast, and then you can connect it to your TV and just press on start. And then if you want to connect that as well, you can do that. It's really that easy and simple. You just have to make sure that you are on the same Wi-Fi network. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.